appreciation. If Mal Cotrone could please come forward. Mal Cotrone. Mal has been a member of this lodge for 53 years. June 15th, 1971. This is his certificate. Oh, wow. Isn't that fabulous? Yes. And he also brought me photos, which I'm going to share with you. He's going to tell you a little bit about that. Wow. But before he does that, before I let him speak, we're going to present him with a certificate of appreciation. This comes from the state president for his untiring efforts and devotion on behalf of our beloved order and the sincere affection he has shown for 53 years to the brothers and sisters of the Constantino Brumidi Lodge. It goes on, but again, it's signed Biagio James Brown. Also, we do have a gift for him on behalf of the lodge. Keep that safe. We're going to take a quick picture, and then I'm going to give you a chance to say a few words, okay? All right.
With the bingo, the bees. Right now.
I'm very humble. The year 69, they have 9 pullers cut together with a dream. And this is the dream, what you're looking at here. It was a lot of work to get money to make this place. But we done it. We didn't have a home like this, so it was hard to make money. They put me in charge of money.
It worked.
In the years we were here, we had 3 feasts that made a lot of money. The first feast made $40,000. The second feast made $30,000. The second feast, we were in Magnano. We had no home yet. We were in Magnano. Let us have the extension house that he has where he has the flowers until the house burned down. I don't know how it burned down, but we're out of the club again. Out of the club. I want to tell you, I'm 96 years old. I have no enemies. I have no enemies. They're all dead.
What did he say?
I know the other 9 guys.
What did he say? What did Mel say?
They're in heaven now. They can't believe this building. I can't believe it. And your new members, work hard, get involved with this club. It's a great club. You gotta believe me, I've been a club member for 53 years. But I want to be humble. The nice gift that Sabrina gave me, and please, I like to say a great word for Sabrina. She's doing such a great job. I mean, these nice guys, they were thinking of a building like this, but they never saw it. But thank God, we've done it. And we want you to enjoy it. And I'm so happy to be here today, to be honored. It's real a pleasure.
Cotrone.